Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's time to get organized for another week in my hourly planner. I'm going to be using the Rainbow Collection and the Black Girl Magic sticker books for this week's spread. And if you're interested in any one of those, I do have an affiliate link in the description box. So make sure that you go and pick those up. I am in love with the Rainbow Collection one. I have been using it non-stop. I think I just love colorful boxes in order to help me to highlight different things that are coming up. So I'm going to start off with my monthly calendar. This is where I look at everything that's coming up for the week, and I'm usually comparing it to what I have in my phone to make sure that everything is updated. If I have to make any adjustments, I will use my red pen. If I have to make any plans or add plans, I will use my black pen. After I have finished my monthly spread, then I will move on to my weekly spread and start to set up my week. The most challenging part of this entire process is picking my very first sticker. I always start with my sidebar, but I'm always trying to figure out what colors I want to use, and so that always starts with that very first sticker. And so once I decided the very first one, then I just knew that I was just going to use the colors that was in that sticker. Mainly the pink is going to be used throughout my spread. So those are the colorful boxes that I'm going to be using, and then everything else just kind of flows. I will just add different stickers as I am flipping through the sticker book and just see which ones I want to use throughout the spread. Next, I am going to set up my sidebar. My sidebar is where I usually will keep track of my social media. So I'm going to start off with my YouTube schedule, which on Monday I am planning on posting to my second channel, which is going to be a Bible journal with me. And then on Tuesday, I am planning to go live. And so I haven't gone live in a while, so I'm really excited about this. But we're going to talk about 5 money mistakes and how to fix them. And then, of course, Sunday is my weekly plan with me. I have been doing those consistently every single week since y'all seem to enjoy them so much. And then I will have class on Thursday. So we have class within the Organize You, and this particular class is going to be a video on how to intentionally add rest into your planner. So I'm going to be talking about my rest routine and showing them how to incorporate rest into their planning routine. So I'm going to add in my top priorities in my top boxes and also my routines. And I've been adding in breakfast at that 6 a.m. slot, mainly because I don't wake up until around 6:30. And for the first 30 minutes of the morning, I am trying to get my girls out of the door. By 7 o'clock, once they leave for school, that's when I start my morning routine. So I just use that top slot to keep track of what I am eating for breakfast, since at that time that I am kind of moving around the house, there's really nothing for me to add to my planner. Now my work day begins at 9 a.m. so I will write in different things that I need to do around that time. But in last week's videos, someone did leave a comment and asked me why they didn't see anything home related in my planner. And that is because most of my home activities are routines. So if you see AM routine, that usually consists of multiple things that I will do for my home and for myself that is not work related. So my AM routine is cleaning up the kitchen and my front room, and I will also work out during that time. I will look at my planners, I will look at my budget, but I will look at all of those different things within my AM routine. It's about 5 or 6 things that I do every single morning, and I am doing them from about 7 a.m. until 9 a.m. And then 9 a.m. I switch over and I will start to work. The other thing that you may notice throughout the week is that I also have church-related activities along with work-related activities. And this is something that I have had to get adjusted to, and that is me trying to figure out my new schedule and figure out how I am going to incorporate both things within my schedule. Since me and my husband opened our ministry at the beginning of 2022, I have had a slight struggle, a slight challenge with adjusting my schedule, just because I had become so accustomed to being able to kind of plan the way that I had been planning, and my routines were all set. And ministry is not the same as the things that I've had to do with the organized money. With the organized money, I am basically planning my entire schedule on my own. But with my ministry, me and my husband are kind of planning together, and then things come up all the time. So a lot of that requires a lot of flexibility, but I am getting adjusted and I'm starting to get more ahead so that I can be more flexible with my schedule. Everything doesn't have to be as rigid. So on Saturday is my dad's birthday, so I just want to mark that in, and I'm going to mark in the Amazon order. I place my Amazon order once a week, every single Friday. So I'm going to add a sticker so that I can write in that I'm going to make an order, and then I have a space to write how much I spend. I noticed on Saturday that I had a little smudge mark. Don't know where it came from, but I always cover those with stickers. Anytime that ever happens in my planner, I will either white it out or I will cover it with a sticker if I can. And now I'm just adding in the finishing touches. I do want to wash the car on Saturday, and I do have a couple of other things that I need to do, like orders and social media planning. I do a little bit more on the weekends than I used to, mainly because of the ministry and the additional things that I have to do throughout the week. And I am going to try my best to work out 4 times this upcoming week. I did succeed in working out 3 times last week, so I'm going to try and add an extra day and see if I can complete that goal for this week as well. And that is going to be it. I am super excited about this week. I have planned everything out. I love adding in all of these different stickers and having it come out and look so nice. Mainly my planner is very, very functional, but anytime I can add some decorative stickers here and there, I do like the way that it looks. I just don't always get the chance to do it. Well, guys, thank you so much for joining me for this weekly plan with me. I hope that it reminds you to set up your planner for the week. I will see you guys next week, and until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.